Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Driving the Wheels Off. Today, we're going to be fixing the front wheel on this zero-turn lawnmower. Sometimes it sticks, and sometimes it's too wobbly. So let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to jack it up just enough to get that front wheel off the ground. Now we can see a little bit better of the play that is in this front wheel, and we want to get rid of that play. The next thing we're going to do is use a 9/16 ratchet, and we're going to take this top bolt off. After removing the bolt from the top, I found out that not only was the bottom bushing completely broken, but the top bushing was completely missing. So let's go ahead and replace them. Start by removing the old bushing if there's anything left, and then grab your new ones. If you're looking for these bushings for a Z355E John Deere zero-turn lawnmower, I'll have it in the description below. Now you're going to take your new bushing, you're going to slide the new one on the bottom. You may be able to do this by hand, or you may want to get a rubber mallet. In my case, I'm going to use a rubber mallet. Now that you have the bushing on the bottom, let's go ahead and try to put the wheel back in. And we're going to take another bushing and put it in the top. Now slide that wheel back up into place. Put your washer back on. And thread your bolt back in. Luckily for me, I only had to fix one of the two sides. So now I still have two brand new bushings that if anything ever goes wrong again, I have some extras. And I got all four of them for $7 on Amazon. I hope this video helped. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.